To make your patriotic pinwheel, you will need to print my free template, a pencil, and a pushpin. You start by cutting out the main square. Then you cut along the 4 gray lines, only up to the little T mark. Now you're going to take every other corner and add them one at a time onto the pushpin, just like this. And then once you have all 4 corners on the pushpin, you poke it right through the X in the center of the square. Then you carefully press the pin straight into the eraser of your pencil. Make sure to keep it a little loose so it can spin freely, but you could even add a little bead in between the pinwheel and the eraser to help it spin better. Now try it, give it a whirl. If it doesn't spin easily, try loosening the pin just a smidge. And that's it. Your patriotic pinwheel is ready to spin its way into your 4th of July party decor. If you enjoyed my video, please subscribe to my channel and visit my website for party printables, party tips, and tons of freebies. See you there!